Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at an LCD screen replacement kit for the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite 10.1, specifically the BH2, W19, and BH2 L09 models. If you've unfortunately cracked or damaged the screen on your tablet, this kit promises to be a lifesaver. The big claim here is a perfect match with your device. This is crucial. You don't want to end up with a screen that doesn't quite fit or function properly. The kit boasts being brand new and of the best quality, which is always reassuring when dealing with replacement parts. Plus, it comes with repair tools, which is a huge bonus for those who like to tackle DIY repairs. Having the right tools can make the whole process much smoother and less frustrating. The main purpose, of course, is to replace broken screens. The manufacturer recommends professional and careful installation, and that's solid advice. Replacing a screen, especially on a tablet, can be a delicate operation. Starting from unpacking, you need to be very careful. There are usually small components and ribbon cables that can be easily damaged if you're not paying attention. Before you even click that buy button, double-check your tablet model. This kit is specifically designed for the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite 10.1 BH2, W19, and BH2 L09. Ordering the wrong screen is a common mistake, so take a moment to confirm. If you're unsure, the manufacturer encourages you to contact them, which is a good sign of customer support. The manufacturer also highlights their after-sales service. They claim to check the product quality again before shipping to ensure normal use. This extra step in quality control can give you peace of mind knowing that you're receiving a functional product. This kit includes the LCD screen, digitizer, and a full assembly with the frame. This means you're getting everything you need to replace the entire front of your tablet, not just the LCD panel itself. Replacing the whole assembly can sometimes be easier than trying to separate the LCD from the old frame, especially if the original screen was badly damaged.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.